Understanding the phrase, poke the bear, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, poke the bear. Idioms are a fascinating aspect of the English language, adding color and depth to our conversations. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Poke the bear is an idiom used to describe taking a risky action that might provoke a strong, often negative, reaction from someone or something. Imagine poking a sleeping bear with a stick. It's likely to wake up angry and react aggressively. Similarly, in a figurative sense, the phrase means to do something that risks angering someone or causing trouble. The origin of poke the bear lies in the literal danger of disturbing a bear. Historically, bears are known for their aggressive reactions when startled or threatened. This imagery has been translated into language to symbolize provoking a dangerous or volatile situation. It's a vivid metaphor that effectively conveys the potential consequences of reckless actions. 1. In a work setting, I wouldn't question the boss's decision right now. You don't want to poke the bear. 2. In personal relationships, he's already upset about the car, so don't mention the late fees. Let's not poke the bear. 3. In political contexts, the senator's remarks were seen as poking the bear, risking a diplomatic incident. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, always carrying the connotation of risking a negative reaction. Other idioms with similar meanings include rock the boat, to do or say something that might upset the status quo. Stir the hornet's nest, to do something that provokes a group of people, leading to a chaotic response. Understanding these idioms can enrich your comprehension of English and enhance your ability to express complex ideas. We hope this video has shed light on the idiom, poke the bear, and its use in the English language. Remember, idioms are not just phrases. They are storytelling tools that add vibrancy to our language. Keep exploring and practicing, and you'll master these fascinating expressions in no time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.